All right, I'm out here. Found the car show out here in Pahrump. Let's go take a look. Take a look at the cars, man. Hey, welcome to another episode of Gearhead, man. I'm Mark, your host. We're out here at the Rated R Auto Club Rated R car show. Right here in Pahrump, Nevada. And great cars out here. Let's go take a look, take a walk around, and I'm going to try to find one or two people to talk to about the ride. All right, let's see what we can do. All right. Rated R car show out here in Pahrump, and came across this cool pickup truck, and we'll talk to Paul about it. Get started here. Hi Paul, Mark. Gearhead, man.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
Nice to meet you, sir. Let's talk about your truck. I love this truck. I love the color.
Thank you. It's a dark teal.
Dark teal?
Yep.
What year is it?
1955. Had it since I was about 18.
Okay.
56.
Wow.
So it took me 5 years to do all the paint and body work.
Okay.
I didn't actually do the paint job. A buddy of mine did it for me.
All right.
I don't have a booth in my house. So, that is what it is.
Yep.
So it's got 411s in the rear end, 12-volt differential.
Okay.
350 with a 3500 stall converter and a 400 small block in it, and it runs low 12s in a quarter mile.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
I'll definitely get out of its own way.
Yes. Yeah. It's fun. Good driver, and runs on pump gas.
That's the big thing.
I can really beat the shit out of it. It just keeps on running. I mean, I've had it since I was a kid, and I changed the oil on it. I just changed the training fluid for the first time in about 12 years, and I shouldn't have done that because I didn't need it. There was nothing in the pan. I couldn't believe it.
Wow. Sweet.
Bought the transmission off of Craigslist 20 years ago for $400.
Wow.
It's a manual shift body in it.
Okay.
And it works. It works.
Let's go take a look at the motor.
Okay.
What can you tell us about?
So it's GM block, Lenati ProLite series crank, Manley rods, Janey pistons, Edelbrock Victor Jr. cylinder heads. Nothing done to the heads; they're just bolted on. Bolt-on intake manifold, and 750 double pumper on it.
Okay.
Electric fuel pump mounted in the back, MSD ignition. It's got Jessel shaft mount rockers, mechanical fan on it, 2 7/8 inch headers.
Beautiful, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So you take it down at the speed at the.
Yeah, we ran it a couple weeks. It was actually probably a couple months ago. The stickers on the windshield there. We ran 1230
Okay.
through the mufflers on street tires.
Sweet.
Pretty respectable for an all steel body truck.
Yeah.
I did the bed myself. One winter and did it in hickory. And these are just stainless steel strips that I did up, just polished them. And, kind of low budget, so I do everything myself pretty much.
Okay.
32-gallon fuel cell in the back. Fuel tank is supposed to be behind the seat.
Yeah.
I took that out and need leg room. So,
You know, Chevrolet and other car manufacturers didn't put a lot of thought where they put the fuel, gas
yeah,
tank.
well, I think they were a lot shorter back in the day too.
I had a '76 Chevy pickup K10, and it had saddle tanks. And the saddle tanks, I didn't think about it when I had it, that they were between the body and the frame.
Right.
But I survived. Nobody ever.
Get a picture of that fuel cell under there. It's a funny logo, my brother.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
So I used to have a shirt that said, "I'm probably a lot faster than you think you are." I couldn't fit the probably on there, so I just put a lot faster than you think you are.
I like
Obviously, there's a lot of people that are faster than me, but I do have a 7-second Corvette at the house too.
that.
So,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
What kind of Corvette?
63 L2 chassis car.
Wow.
It's an aftermarket body, 1257 horsepower.
Wow.
Single carburetor, no nitrous, no turbo, no nothing, all motor.
Wow. Naturally aspirated.
Yep.
Wow. That's amazing, man.
Yeah, it is.
Because I think that's my Fusion, 4-cylinder motor, but it's turbo. So it has somewhat impressive numbers, for a 4-cylinder, but it's cheating.
Right?
Back in the day, it was naturally aspirated, put out those numbers. But it's a beautiful truck, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
How's the interior?
Interior is nothing special.
I like it.
Got the seats out of a junkyard application. Steering columns, and I did it. I made the dash. I used to work at Super Shops Automotive, so those are original Mallory gauges back from the 80s.
Wow.
That still work.
Wow, man. This thing is a blast from the past in all different ways.
Yes. Yeah. It's been through numerous changes throughout its entire life. I mean, used to have straight axle and hit the brakes and then change lanes on you. And I mean, it was dangerous, especially when you're going fast. So a lot of upgrades throughout the years.
I could imagine those back in the day, those heavy Challengers and Chargers, and they had drum brakes.
Right. Yeah.
Surprised, if you're born in the 60s, surprised all of it's still alive.
Yeah, they didn't even make you wear seatbelts back then.
No. My seatbelt, if I was in front, when my mom or dad was driving, was
Holding you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same way.
Got any more plans to do anything, or you think you're finished with what?
I'm pretty much done.
Okay.
I got quite a lot of other projects in the works right now, so we just enjoy this the way it is. And if it breaks, we fix it. And if not, we just carry on.
That's all you can do.
Yeah.
I think you did an awesome job. I like it. I definitely, if I saw this on the auction block and I had the money in the bank, I would definitely pull the trigger on it. I know it's not as much fun buying them done, Right. This one I would.
Man, things are so expensive these days to build anything.
It looks empty.
I'm building a 55 Bel Air right now, and the cost is 3-4 times more than when I built this. You know what I mean?
And I
That
know
thing's gonna be nasty.
sometimes
We'll see it one of these days.
you're going to take it to the shows once it's done.
I'll bring it here one of these days.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll definitely be back here. I've been doing this channel for a few years now. And,
You got a lot of followers.
I got almost, I got like 1673 right now. Not a lot for how long I've been doing it, but
Right.
I'm not good at promoting, and I'm finally starting to get my head around that and put it on, Instagram. When I post an episode, I'll put info on all the other, shows like Twitter, I'll tweet and all that.
Right.
I'm 62 years old, and I'm still trying to figure out all this social media kind of stuff.
Right.
I have a buddy, he has a history channel, and he's been doing it like a year longer than me, and he has over 100,000 subscribers. He's doing good.
So, is he making money doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I finally got to the point, I guess I had to hit 1,000. Once I got 1,000 subscribers, I would start generating revenue. But until you get a lot of people, a lot of watching your episodes, and I make a month, I probably make $5 or $6 right now
Right.
for a week.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping down the
Thanks
road.
for some battery juice.
Yeah. All right, Paul. Thank you for talking with me, and I look forward in the future to seeing more of your life. I look forward to that Bel Air.
I'm out of here.
Okay. All right. Thanks again.
Thank you.
And this will probably be out on, I think, by Friday. Try to put the new episode out Friday, maybe even Wednesday. All right. All right. Thanks again.
Thank you.
All right. Guys out there, let me know what you think of this pickup. Paul's truck's pretty cool. I like it. Great story about it, and great performance. On the track. All right. Can you see where else we can find out here? right, that brings an end of another episode here at Gearhead, man. And let me know in the comments below what you think of some of these cars. Give us a like. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button now. And definitely hit the bell icon that way.